I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
All right, I'm back onto this 2016 F-150 from last week.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
From here down all throughout here. So it's gonna get a B-pillar rocker section. You have to buy the entire uniside. I'm gonna make my final cuts. I have them marked with tape. Well, there it is. All fit up, fits up nicely, have some nice seams to weld up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this rocker section on here. Then I will rivet it and get it welded on. So I have some etch primer here. I'm gonna put on all the bare metal spots, and then I'm gonna go mix up some primer surfacer and get this one all primed up.